So what should be a simple dyno session has turned into a bit of a strip down job. What we doing, James?
Well, I've got to get the tank up in order to get an electrical pickup.
Okay.
From the coil sticks.
Right.
Which entails removing, at this stage, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws so far.
12 screws, and as you
We're
can see,
still going.
the tank is under the seat more, further down, a la race style. That's a nice sort of sheath. And you were saying this, you've got a battery in the front here, which is interesting, but what's more interesting, it's a lithium-ion battery.
Yeah, I don't think we've seen another bike with a lithium-ion battery as standard.
Okay. So to run the Panigale V4 on a dyno, you have to take the tank off, essentially, and run it with the tank off.
Or drill a hole in the tank, but your fuel's going to leak out.
Yeah.
So have some fuel stopper.
Okay.
Handy.
Right, let's do this. So, 188.7, so let's call it 189. 112 nollimeters of torque. What do you reckon, James?
I reckon it's alright.
Yeah.
I reckon it's pretty good. It's definitely Ducati, the way it makes its power. There's no question of that. What's it in foot-pounds? 82.6 foot-pounds of torque. That's a lot of torque.
Yeah.
For a V4, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Then again, it is 1100cc.
Yes, that blows a little bit of a dull wind into it. But it's pretty good.
It's not. It's a beautiful line. It's not bad. Can we look at the Aprilia as well, please?
Yes, we can do, sir.
Obviously, when you think V4 and obvious competitors, it has to be the RF.
Oh.
So, there we go.
So the Aprilia made 180 with 77 pound-foot of torque.
Yeah.
All right. A little bit smoother, but then again, they've been building V4s for a little bit longer.
Yeah, and that's the Euro 4 one as well, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But, you know, the Ducati just beats it everywhere.
Yeah. Not surprising, really. But still, I mean, the thing is, 189 to a lot of people is a bit disappointing. And to be honest with you, it's disappointing for me as well. But this bike doesn't feel like just 189 horsepower. It feels so much more. That's why I said 100. That's why I said 200.
Bear in mind, soft tyre.
Yeah.
Right, we've got a soft tyre and that's sucking horsepower out of this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can probably say with a soft tyre you're losing 5 or 6.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. True.
You know, at the end of the day, we all know it sucks it out, and then you've got to look at your power to weight ratio. What's this weigh against the Aprilia?
Don't know.
Have to look at that.
Yeah, let's
see
look
what
into
it
that.
is. Yeah, but it's easier to work on than the Aprilia,
In terms of,
getting stuff off, but it's still not the easiest bike in the
well,
world.
yeah, it's riding a dynoing a bike, standing up because the tank has to come off is slightly annoying.
Precarious.
Precarious.
Quick shifter's real good.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Auto blip, downshift.
Blipper's
good.
amazing, yeah.
The quick shifter reminds me very much of the BMW.
Okay.
Real smooth.
Yeah.
Seamless.
Smooth, but it's not as sort of abrupt as some, is it?
Abrupt. It's like it has a two-stage initial brake. So
Yeah.
Initial brake and a soft interrupt again, just to relieve it back into gear. But yeah, I like the dash. Dash is nice.
Dash is nice, isn't it?
I
Yeah.
like buttons. The buttons
Yeah.
are all user-friendly.
Yeah.
That side of the thing. I like the lithium-ion battery.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a good looking dash.
And I like it when you get it right round here.
It lights up.
It goes bright red. But the odd thing is,
Party!
in fourth gear it doesn't rev as high
Yeah, that's
as
weird,
sixth
that.
gear. So in fourth gear we only get to 13.5, 14,000 RPM.
Yeah.
Fifth and sixth gear it revs out further. So there's obviously something going on electronic wise. It's picking up on something on the dyno, i.e. front wheels not turning or so forth and so on,
Yeah.
and doing something.
But it's only sixth gear that it revs out properly.
Yes.
Yeah.
On the dyno.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Right, that's not
Yeah.
to say it's not doing that on the road.
It's definitely not doing that. No.
On the road.
No.
You know?
188.7, so 189 really, isn't it?
Oh, Christ, let's go 0.7, right?
Okay.
Let's plus our 15%. Oh. 217.
Blimey, so it is. Yeah, it's bang on the money then.
Yeah, there's no question about it. If we use the calculation between 12 to 15%, which is what we've used for years and years and years on every bike, it's bang on the money.
It's a shame everyone gets so upset when they see 188 horsepower.
Yeah, but the other thing is when they leave here and they go to one of these Mickey dynos that overreads,
Yeah.
we look good.
So there we go. So not too disastrous after all.
No, you could take any figure from any bike and do that calculation.
Yeah.
It'll be right. Bang
Yeah.
on the money.
There we go. Chapeau.